We were just discussing this concept of sports, and the basic question is, as we were just saying, that sometimes parents don't want their children to pursue sports, even if they're a potential champion. Why? Because there are no marks for it, because it's not considered the right thing to do. So I was getting Viren to answer that, but maybe you want to just come in with your quick take on this?
Because I feel that parents feel that there is no career in sports in India. Actually there is, but not every child achieves what the ace players have achieved. So there is always a fear in the mind of the parents, and they want their child to go into mainstream. In Maharashtra, we have our policy, sports policy, which gives additional marks to those sports persons who cannot devote their time for studies but excel in sports. So we feel that by giving them additional marks, we ensure that they get admissions in good colleges, in the good courses. But I think we professionally, we need to encourage people so that they also encourage their children to go into sports. Right now, basically we are focused on 2-3 sports only in the society. If it's cricket, you get sponsors, but it's any other sport, you don't get a sponsor, or you don't see a very bright career. So I think once we professionalize most of the sports and we create a scenario where in any sports, if you excel, then you have a good career. If this is the case, I think that people will encourage their children.
All right. Viren, you want to come in on that?
I agree with the fact that right now, actually a very minuscule proportion of our population, especially the student population, actually plays sport. If you see a lot of the new schools in urban cities like Mumbai, most of the new schools do not even have playgrounds. So we got to figure out a way how to get kids playing. And what Dharmesh said, that we cannot have sport right now. It's still regarded as an extracurricular activity. We need to get it into more a mainstream activity, that it is an integral part of education. And I think it's not just the sporting part of it which obviously develops our health and excel, but also the sports person's attitude and mentality. I think the life lessons that you learn playing sport, especially team sports like football, hockey, cricket, I think they are lessons that a classroom can never teach you. You learn teamwork. None of us work in isolation.
Viren, you're preaching to the converted when it comes to why important it is. I guess the question that we are asking is that when you see some young, talented person, and you're saying, I wish this person would play for India someday, and that person's parents look and for good reasons. Look at the way we treat many of our sports people, including people who won medals for the country. Look at the conditions you sometimes go back and find themselves in. So with what heart can you go to a parent and say, no, make your daughter play sports, make your son focus on this? It's for us somehow to give that support system which gives them that comfort. Is that a problem you often face?
It's most definitely a problem, and especially in urban cities, you see very, very talented kids in sport. When you come to 10th standard or 12th standard, you're unfortunately faced with a very hard decision. Do I play sport, or do I pursue studies? I was very fortunate, I think, that I was the third child. My parents were very strict with my eldest brother. They were okay, medium with the second guy, and when I came along, they just didn't bother. So,
the third one is jo karna hai karna. Have fun.
So, it shouldn't be that case. It should be for all kids, and unfortunately, we realized only later in life that actually sport was important.